Hi, my name is Louis Ciano. I'm in Professor Stein's science class. Today's unit is ecosystems. The type of class is a 12 1-to-1. It's 12 students, 1 teacher, and 1 paraprofessional. It's a self-contained class. Today's title will be Natural Selection. It's Unit 2. The learning outcomes is understanding the concepts of adaptations, interpret line graphs, distinguish between biotic and abiotic factors. We also have the standards, the CCS standards, and the NGSS standards for this lesson. The central focus is for students to understand and apply the concepts of adaptations through natural selection. My focused learner will be a visually impaired student. The language and vocabulary communications for this lesson is 1. Abiotic, biotic, natural selection, adaptation, organisms, habitat, and ecosystems. The materials that I'll be using today for this lesson will be PowerPoint, videos, visual representations, and assorted manipulatives. The adaptations are students will receive a scaffold lesson modeled by the teacher. Students will receive frequent breaks, and students will be checked for understanding. Formal and informal assessments. The adaptations for and the accommodations for other students, these students will be given cue cards to show task order. Students will be given extended time, copy of class notes, and teacher demos, and students will have preferred seatings. For the visual learner, I would enhance the formal assessment and make the print larger, make sure that the whiteboard is constantly clean, and maybe have a desktop lamp for this learner. Also, for the assessment, the kids will be assessed based on their participation. Here it shows a graph based on their participation in class. This lesson is about manipulations to show natural selections. We'll be using seashells for this lesson. For the visual learner, I would use larger seashells so he can use to explain this lesson. So the lesson basically shows how animals adapt in survival.